How to fix unable to delete Instagram search suggestions. So if you've been trying so many methods to delete your Instagram search suggestions and you are unable to delete the Instagram search suggestions, then this video is actually going to help you to fix that problem. So right here is my homepage on my Instagram app. Now if you go to the search button, you're going to see different search suggestions right here. You're going to see different search suggestions on your Instagram. So in order for you to actually delete those Instagram search suggestions, this is what you can easily do. You can go to your profile at the bottom of your screen like this, click on your profile. So here is my profile. Go ahead and click on the three-line icon at the top right corner like this. So I need you to know this. One of the reasons why you are seeing those search suggestions on your Instagram account is likely because the app is showing the live suggestions based on your account. I mean, based on the things you frequently interact with on Instagram. So that is why you are seeing those search suggestions. So in order for you to fix it, right here in your settings and activity, you need to scroll like this, scroll down like this, and you're going to see this option of content preferences. You need to go ahead and click on content preferences like this. Once you do that, right here you can see reset suggested content at the bottom of the screen. So in order for you to fix your Instagram search suggestions showing on that search feed, you need to go ahead and click on reset suggested content. Now looking here, you can see next at the bottom. You need to go ahead and click on that. So looking right here, it says before resetting, review who you follow and your ads topic. So the people you actually follow contribute to the search suggestions that you are going to be seeing. So you can actually go ahead and unfollow the people that you don't want to be seeing search suggestions from. Unfollow them before clicking on reset. So you can go ahead and unfollow them like this. Once you do that, the next step you need to take is to go ahead and click on reset suggested account at the bottom of the screen. Then go ahead and click on reset suggested account. So once you do that, it is actually going to reset the things you are seeing on your homepage as well as on your search suggestions. So this is how easy it is to delete your Instagram search suggestions. Now the next way you can actually do this is to go to your profile as well like this. So let's simply go back. Right here on your setting and activity, you can go ahead and click on your activity like this. So right here on your activity, you need to scroll to the bottom. You're going to see where it says recent searches. So you can go ahead and click on that and clear your recent searches. Click on clear all like this and clear all your recent searches. This is actually going to help to reset your Instagram search suggestions as well. So in order for you to fix this as well, you can manually go to your, let's say you want to search something, you can manually go to it like this and click on the suggestion you are seeing, then go ahead and click on not interested at the bottom of the screen. So once you do that, you are not going to be able to be seeing search suggestions like that on your Instagram account. So another way you can fix this is to clear the app cache. You can actually do that by going to your phone settings like this, then go ahead and go to where you can see app manager or apps like this and search for Instagram. Go ahead and search for Instagram like this, then go ahead and click on storage and click on clear cache at the bottom of your screen. This is actually going to help as well. So if certain accounts keep popping up in your suggestions, it is actually because you have visited them frequently and the algorithm is actually going to continue to suggest them until you replace them with a new search data. So in order for you to fix that, you can simply go to your Instagram app like this. So if you go to your Instagram app like this, you can go ahead and search for other random accounts. Just go to the search button and search for other random accounts like celebrities, brand, or even new outlets. Just search for anything, and once you do that, after searching for some things that you are interested in, and they're going to push down those unwanted suggestions for you. You're not going to be seeing those suggestions that you don't want to be seen on your Instagram account. Another way you can fix this is to go to your device like this, go ahead and tap on the app, and you're going to see uninstall the app. Go back to your Play Store and reinstall the app back. It's actually going to help as well. So you need to actually know as well that if you continue to visit that same profiles and accounts that you visit on Instagram, Instagram is going to start suggesting them again for you on your search feed. So in order for you to fix that, you need to reset your content preference, which I've actually told you guys on this video. So in order for you to fix that, you need to go to your Instagram and reset your content type by going to your profile like this. Click on the three line icon. Now scroll to the bottom. Right here you can see where it says content preferences. You need to come right here and click on reset suggested accounts all the time. You can see that at the bottom of the screen. You need to always reset this. That is if you continue seeing those things you normally search for on your Instagram. But if that is not actually the case, you need to understand that no matter how you reset your Instagram account, you're going to keep on seeing the top search suggestions right here. These are the top search suggestions on your Instagram account. No matter how you reset the app, you're going to continue seeing these top search suggestions. You can see that the videos and search results shown here are the ones with high views and all that, which are mostly from celebrities. So you're going to continue seeing those top search results even if you do all this. So you can only stop seeing your recent searches or content suggested to you that you don't actually want. But for these top searches, you're going to continue seeing this. Alright, you've come to the very end of this video. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell. We've come to the very end of this video. It has always been Daniel. See you in the next one.